Yanjita, want to go hunt up some jumbo in that? Downtown Triangle?
It's good to see it again.
Glad you came.
Yeah. Thank you, honey.
Back. We are now in Pittsburgh. We are at the Yen country.
No, yins.
Yins. You're supposed
It's
to...
Cuban, the Cuban.
That's how the Cubans say it. Yen. We're in Pittsburgh. We've left Hershey, PA. We're in Pittsburgh. Actually, this is where Mary was born and grew up till she was like 12 years old. So we're here visiting the area and also visiting old friends of ours from Florida. They're up here visiting the church here, the Greater Pittsburgh Church of Christ, and have been just having a great time the last couple of days. Well, today's a little rainy day, and but we're going to go do a walking tour of Pittsburgh and spend some time with our friends. But probably a lot of you are wondering why is every time we do one of these intro videos, Mary's driving. Is because I do most of the RV driving.
Are you feeling guilty, huh?
No, I'm just stating a fact. I'm stating a fact. If this is your first time on our channel, we welcome you and glad to have you here. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so it notifies you of our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
So come on and explore Pittsburgh with us.
Right there. We have the Allegheny River right over there. And then those two form the Ohio River straight ahead. The Ohio River goes into the interior North America. Yanjita, want to go hunt up some jumbo in that? Downtown Triangle?
Not translated?
Yins, our most famous word for y'all, or you guys. Jeet-jet is, did you eat yet? Want to go hunt up some jumbo in that? Want to go look for some bologna and that? And then downtown, the Giant Eagle, which is our local grocery store. Welcome to Pittsburgh.
Hey. What are we doing?
We are at Mount Washington in Pittsburgh, and we're going to go visit the inclines and take a view of the city. And the Steelers are playing Cincinnati tonight, so that should be an exciting view from up here.
So what's the name of this place?
This is Duquesne Incline.
It doesn't look like Duquesne to me. No, it don't look like no Duquesne. But we're going to go play tourist.
Come on.
Quintessential thing that you do in Pittsburgh, right?
Right.
Right. But have you ever done it?
No, because
Never.
I was just a kid here.
Man, does it like spell Duquesne? Doesn't look like Duquesne to me.
This is the school we went to. Our Lady of Grace. This was my elementary school, Our Lady Lady of Grace, where me and my 3 sisters went from 1st to 6th grade. Used to come here and have recess. The boys were separated from the girls. I don't know if they still do that. And played many games of kickball up there in that parking lot. And there's the church. At lunchtime, we would, I don't even know how much time we have for lunch. Not much, but we would walk all the way home, have lunch, and then walk all the way back. So this is the way we used to walk home. Patty and I used to share that room up there. Nancy and Jan up there. And that's it. It's the old house. I forget those people's names. They used to have a dog named Rusty. So that's the Mays house. And that's the Nix's house. The Satterfields. The Satterfields. And that's the Burwangers. This used to be an alleyway. There wasn't a tree there. And when it snowed, we would sled ride down here. And there used to be these big logs down there, but there was a space in between. And this will make you totally believe in guardian angels, because sometimes we would like go out into the roadway. I don't know what we were thinking and what our parents let us do. This home here, the lady every year would make homemade popcorn balls. So when you go trick-or-treating, you knew you want to stop there and get some homemade popcorn balls. Mount Lebanon, which is outside of Pittsburgh, the city of Pittsburgh, and it's just a nice community. My dad wanted to live here because the schools were so good, and we left here when I was 12 years old to move down to Florida. So it's been a little over 50 years since I've seen this place, and it's good to see it again.
Glad you came.
Yeah, thank you, honey.
Visited the football stadium, the baseball stadium, and we're walking on the Roberto Clemente Bridge. If you know anything about baseball and Pittsburgh Pirates, you know who Roberto Clemente is.
Yeah, good man.
That was a fun day.
Yes, it was. Got to see my old neighborhood. 50 years. That's the last time I saw it. Looks a lot smaller than when I was a little girl, but
because you were a lot smaller back
then.
Yeah,
maybe. Just a lot of heartfelt memories going back there. So thank you for taking me. And then we came down to the Heinz Museum, which is very interesting.
Heinz ketchup.
But other stuff too. It wasn't just about the ketchup. And
sports.
sports and
Heinz ketchup.
history and what else did we do?
And we walked to the point.
Yep.
The North Point, I think it's called.
No,
I don't know.
I don't think it
all
is.
you Pittsburgheries will tell me if I'm right or wrong. And also went by Heinz Field, went by the PG Stadium.
Pirate
Stadium.
Walked across the Clemente Bridge.
Fun day.
Yeah, a lot of walking, and now we're gonna go have dinner with some friends.
See you soon.